It's great to have you back on the channel. Today we present to you the crazy list of the top 7 new retro motorcycles for 2024. Once you discover the incredible capabilities of these bikes, you will be amazed. Number 5. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The classic design of the 2024 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 embodies the timeless essence of riding with its classic contours and design features. The Meteor 350 is fueled by a brand new air oil-cooled 349cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine with a distinctive long-stroke and electronic fuel injection system, suitable for both open road and city commuting. It generates a consistent, manageable power output, reaching 20.2 bhp at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 19.9 ft per pound of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The raw sound of the engine is a tribute to Royal Enfield's traditional simplicity in single-cylinder motorcycles. The Meteor 350 embodies a classic design that is reminiscent of the iconic American cruiser style. Its traditional features and modern comforts make it a perfect option for enthusiasts who value the combination of classic style and contemporary elements. The 2024 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is priced at $4,699. Making it an appealing choice for riders who want a blend of classic cruiser style and updated technology. The Meteor 350 comes in different color choices like Fireball Black, Aurora Black, Fireball Red. Number 4. Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Casa. The V7 Stone Casa still has the classic design Moto Guzzi is famous for, showcasing a simple and stylish appearance that emphasizes the bike's traditional origins. The 2024 version features a stylish design inspired by racing, paying homage to Moto Guzzi's rich racing past. The bold and unique look of the bike is achieved by combining matte black finish with red accents. The V7 Stone Casa features a classic design with a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, flat seat, and round headlamp, combined with modern elements like LED lighting and a digital display. The updated 744cc Transverse V twin engine reflects Moto Guzzi's design philosophy at its core. The updated air-cooled engine in the 2024 V7 Stone Casa produces approximately 52 horsepower and 44 pound-feet of torque, more than previous models. Additionally, the revamped chassis enhances stability and handling. The improved frame offers increased stiffness, resulting in enhanced cornering confidence and feedback. Number 3. Triumph Scrambler 1200Z. The classic yet modern Triumph Scrambler 1200XE, released in 2024, upholds the British brand's tradition of merging vintage style with innovative features. The bike's timeless design honors its roots while also integrating modern elements. Its strong appearance features twin exhausts positioned high, a traditional circular headlight updated with LED technology, and a contoured fuel tank equipped with knee pads for increased traction. The retro charm is heightened by brushed aluminum finishes and the classic Triumph badge, with modern elements like the digital instrument cluster integrated smoothly. Powering the 2024 Scrambler 1200Z is a 1,200cc parallel twin engine, providing strong performance throughout the RPM range. The Scrambler 1200Z provides an exciting ride with 89 horsepower at 7,250 revolutions per minute and 81 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Number 2. Kawasaki W800. The retro design of the 2024 Kawasaki W800 is one of its most notable features. The bicycle emits traditional appeal with its circular headlight, tear-shaped gas tank, and wire-spoked wheels. The nostalgic charm is even more emphasized by the chrome fenders and dual P-shooter-style exhausts. The focus on small features like the ribbed seat is clear, creating a vintage aesthetic and ensuring both rider and passenger comfort. The 2024 model still features a top-notch paint job and a range of traditional color options. The motorcycle's premium feel is enhanced by the shiny engine parts and strategically positioned chrome accents. The core of the 2024 Kawasaki W800 features a 773cc air-cooled, 4-stroke, parallel twin engine. The focus of this engine's design is to provide a ride that is both smooth and responsive, especially in the low to mid-range torque. The unique 360-degree crankshaft setup adds to the distinct engine sound, similar to the iconic British twins of the 1960s. The motor generates a decent 47 horsepower and 62.9 Newton-meters of torque. Number 1. Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. The Continental GT 650 embodies the spirit of the traditional cafe racers of the 1960s. The bike has a unique tear-shaped gas tank in a single-color design, enhanced by hand-painted stripes that emphasize its vintage charm. The sporty silhouette is enhanced by the sculpted bodywork and single-seat cowl. The bike comes in different colors like Rocker Red, British Racing Green, and Ventura Storm, catering to various preferences. The Continental GT 650 is powered by a strong 648cc parallel twin engine. This engine that is cooled by air and oil delivers a consistent and even power output, generating 47 horsepower at 7,150 revolutions per minute and 52 Newton-meters of torque at 5,250 revolutions per minute. The unique exhaust sound and improved throttle response of the engine are enhanced by the 270-degree crankshaft, improving the overall riding experience. The twin down-tube cradle frame on the Continental GT 650 was co-created with Harris Performance.